If you are building a habit-forming app, you have got to be able to answer these 5 fundamental questions. Companies like Facebook, Twitter, Amazon, Google, WhatsApp, Slack, Snapchat, these companies that all started out like toys and somehow did an unbelievably good job of changing consumer habits. What is it that's endemic to these habit-forming products that you can learn from so you can build your own habit-forming mobile app? And the way we do this is by building a hook model into the user experience. Now, these hooks all have 4 basic steps. It doesn't matter what the product is, online, offline, mobile app, enterprise, SaaS products, direct to consumer, it doesn't matter. If a product needs to build a habit, it has got to have these 4 basic steps. Did you know that there's a way that we can literally manufacture desire? Does anybody want to know how to do that? Remember, you can always buy growth. What you cannot buy is engagement. Now, what's the lesson here? It is not the best product that wins. I know you've been told this lie. That is not true.